Tired of podcasting roadblocks? Let's jump right in and get you logged into your Buzzsprout account so you can take control of your podcast. First, open your web browser and type buzzsprout.com into the address bar and hit enter. You will land on their homepage. Now, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button clearly labeled login. Click on this button. This will take you to the login page and it's time to enter your credentials in the first field. Enter the email address you used when you created your Buzzsprout account. Then, in the second field, type in your password. Carefully double-check both your email and password to make sure everything is correct. Once you are confident, click the login button. Voila, you're in. You'll now see your Buzzsprout dashboard. This is your home base for managing your podcast, where you can check your statistics and upload new episodes. From here, you can navigate your podcast settings, view analytics, manage your uploads, and so much more. Take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with all the features. And that's it. You're now logged into your Buzzsprout account. Be sure to subscribe for more podcasting tips, and happy podcasting.